Minister wa ugima wa mweri Mutahi Kagwe mbere ya kamiti ya Senate umuthi ni ahoire kwaga guthingiririo aheane muthenya uria njanjo ya kwigita murimu wa COVID-19 muthemba wa AstraZeneca itanyitwo kuingira guku bururi-ini. Mutahi ni atariirie gitumi giake akiuga bururi wa India ni wiriga kwandikira Kenya marua makuga ni karehe njanjo eno guku bururi-ini mweri ukite, no ni undu wa uria bururi ucio gumirwo ni namba nene ya ikuo na arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19. Njanjo eno yahota gucererwo gukinya guku na uguo ndangihotire gutariria muthenya uria ibatie gukorwo igirite. Mutahi ni atariirie kamiti no ati ministry ya ugima wa mwiri unyitani na ataramu othe ya ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri agi science na arigitani a ikiro itiganite ni mararora makinya maria Kenya igitacukia niguo kwambiriria gwithondekera njanjo ciayo, akiuga mihang'o eno igigacira no irikirire kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe.
What we are looking at is a form and feel factory. We have located the premises. We have looked at everything to do with how to roll out this thing, and we think that within a year it is possible for us to get this done. There is a task force that is headed by the chairman of KEMRI. Anything humanly possible is being done so that we can continue and we can fast track the vaccination that we believe is necessary.
No hari haro-ini ya kuhitana na murimu uyu guku bururi-ini, ministry no ni gacirithitie mitaratara mirungiriru ya kugitira muingi wa bururi kuma kiharo-ini kia ndege. Mutahi akiuga kwambiriria thaa thita cia utuku muthenya wa rucio gutire mundu o wothe kuma bururi-ini wa India ugetikirio kuingira guku bururi-ini.
As it is, you know very well what steps we have taken in vis-a-vis India, and yes, anybody coming from India, whether they come directly or indirectly, is subject to further tests in our country. And I can tell you, Chairman, that these measures that we have taken have yielded results. We have discovered and found and picked up not less than 13 people, from India who have got negative certificates, but who have come in and we have tested them again because you are subject to a second test. But effective Saturday midnight, there will be no Indians coming into Kenya, whether through a direct flight on Kenya Airways or through any other destination. Because what happens sometimes is that people say, now that Kenya Airways is not coming, I'll take Ethiopian Airlines and then go into Kenya. If you have traveled from India and Ethiopian Airlines take you, then Ethiopia, we have to keep you in Ethiopia for 14 days before we can allow you to come into Kenya.
Ndeto ciĩgiĩ dawa cia arwaru a mũrimũ wa mũkingo ARVs guku bururi-ini ni ciarĩrĩirio mucemanio-ini uyu. Ndagitari Kate Ngugi kuma ministry ya ugima wa mwiri agikararia ndeto cia muhuhu iria iratambio ati ministry no ni heanite dawa ciina thumu kuri arwaru. Ngugi agithingiriria kuga dawa iria iheanitwo kuri arwaru aya ni cia gikiro kia iguru na ni ithurimitwo gukorwo ikihuthirwo, na uguo ni marekereirie dawa cingihuthika kwa ihinda ria mieri 2 kuri arwaru milioni 1.2 na ingi ni itanyitwo gukorwo ikinyite guku bururi-ini ihinda-ini ria ciumia 2 kana 3 iguka. Maya magithiaga na mbere namba ya arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19 no irathie na mbere ya batirite. Umuthi andu 497 makionekana gukorwo marwarite murimu uyu na gukinyiri ithabu ria riothe marwarite 159 na kenda 318. Ndeto ya kehani ati andu 17 ni makuite rungu rwa mathaa 24, ithabu ria riothe makuite rigikinyiria andu 2,724. Namba ya arwaru aria mararigitirwo ICU ni 188, nao 120 makihuthira mashini ya kuhuhia riera na andu 7 mari wodi-ini ya HDU. Ithabu ria riothe mathecetwo njanjo ya kwigita murimu uyu guku bururi-ini ni andu 876,708.